A rate hold doesn't mean nothing changed. The Bank of Canada held its key rate, but the economy is still sending mixed signals. Higher oil prices are helping Alberta and the energy sector, while also raising expenses on everything else. So, is the economy truly getting stronger, or is it only a temporary boost? The next rate decision is September 2nd. Don't just wait. Review your mortgage strategy today. Stay tuned.